doing?
He bought his food.
Yeah. Wow.
What?
Guy behind me is flashing his lights. Where do you want me to go, buddy? What a moron.
Oh, that's a fucking red light. Fucking yeah. Oh, there's a good move.
Whistling, bagels, pickling, bank rent, just enough bank. Rates subject to change. Variable rate for the first balance is up to $250.
Fucking hero.
99 cents. Consider PDS and PMD from our website.
Enjoy maximum storage for minimum stress. Secure family members get 15% off Pax wardrobes for a limited time. Join
Fuck you.
Fucking hell.
Oh, driver, what the?
Jesus Christ, you fucking idiot.
Wow, okay.
Oh, he's gonna go through a red!
No. Stop the
Nearly! Hey, Scotty, what do you think of that?
Fucking hell, twice in a fucking row. Jesus Christ.
Started to fucking reverse out in front of me, you dickhead.
Like Timu quality tweezers though, aren't they?
So,
I'm just excited for you to get to the cost of this thing.
That's where we are. Does anyone want to have a guess at the price for a pack of 20 stickers?
Depends who you're advertising to, but if you're advertising to like
Idiot.
your Bose headphone
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
you could charge a lot of money for these things.
Yeah, no, I can't because I was too busy trying to work out whether
Well, in completely different shapes. They've rearranged themselves, so sometimes they've been running north-south from
Nestled in picturesque scenic surroundings, Viviano's serves up Sydney's finest Italian cuisine and the freshest seafood 7 days a week. From romantic dinners in 500 meters, stand the roundabout is turning left onto Pacific Drive. Welcome back to Viviano's.
Hey, what the fuck?
Okay, bus. SARDXR. Jim's cleaning. Right. Nice.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the...
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Bro! Absolutely not. Piss off.
Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E. And don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got a feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life. And I was talking to your mother just the other night. I told her I thought you were an asshole. She said, yes, I think you're right. And all your friends are assholes, 'cause you've known them your whole life. And somebody told me you've got an asshole for a wife. Were you born an asshole, or did you work at it your whole life?